Di kanina you talked about yung sa New York mo na stint and how this would be your parang first project since studying.
No, I mean, I nag-aral na ako sa New York last year, and then I did Passion de Amor, and I think a lot of people saw the benefits of that. And I just went to New York, parang I didn't get to do the same as what I did, yung pumasok talaga sa school ulit. But this time around, parang marami na kasi ako nakilala na mga artista sa States at saka mga acting coaches ng mga sikat na artista sa States. So I had the chance to do some workshops with my acting coach in the States. So, doon pa lang parang humingi na ako ng konting input with this role. So, anyways, with this role, I think this is gonna be a very honest role that makikita, sinasabi nga kay Direk Dan, close to home tong role na to sa akin. Very close today. So, makikita niyo dito sa show na to, I think, makikita niyo yung totoong personalidad ni Jake, in a sense. I mean, not siguro with the other conflicts, pero makikita niyo yung paggawa ko dito galing sa puso, very organic. Hindi siya para magbibuild ka ng character ground up. It's so close to home. So, I just have the opportunity to be myself and, you know, enjoy doing.
How do you apply na pag-aralan mo sa States dito sa character?
I apply to everything. Ang acting naman, I'm always down to learn. Alam niyo, parang I'm always enhancing my craft. For me, I act like it's my first time. I love acting. It's my craft. It's what I love to do, and this is probably what I'm gonna do till the day I die. So, from now till that point, mag-aaral ako. I'm gonna further enhance my skills. I owe it to my audience to always improve and always show them new, interesting characters. But like I said, this character is very close to home, so I'm just gonna be very honest with my portrayal with this.